First, log in using your admin credentials to access the dashboard. You will be redirected to Dashboard. In that, select Regulatory Obligations to proceed further. In Regulatory Obligations tab, on the left side panel, you will find the Bulk Assignment option. Please select Bulk Assignment to continue. In the Bulk Assignment tab, first we need to select Entity. Here, I am selecting Madhuri Enterprise Private Limited from drop-down. Next, from the Compliance module drop-down, choose Regulatory Obligations. Then, in the Regulators drop-down, select the required regulators for which tasks need to be assigned. In this example, I am selecting the Labor Department of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In the Compliance drop-down, I am selecting All, to include all applicable compliance tasks. In the section below, you will find the list of tasks available for assignment. Select the required Task IDs to proceed. Here, I am selecting all 3 tasks. Once selected, a pop-up will appear on the left side. In this window, choose the concerned user by selecting the appropriate department, sub-department, location, and branch. Next, from the Owner, Reviewer, and HOD drop-downs, select the respective users and click on Add User. You can also configure the escalation time and reminder frequency as required. After reviewing the details, click on Assign Task. The tasks will then be assigned to the concerned users, and the status will be displayed as pending. Using this same process, you can assign tasks related to multiple regulators to different users, all within the same window. This makes bulk task management simple, efficient, and time-saving. With Complinova's bulk assignment feature, managing large-scale compliance responsibilities becomes quick and structured.